What's up everyone? Welcome back to Sandie Crafts. So holidays are just around the corner and you know what that means, right? Gift giving season. But if you're like me, finding the perfect gift to give your friends and family can be a daunting task. But don't worry, I've got you covered in today's video. So I will share with you the top 10 easy, thoughtful, and personalized gift ideas that you can give your family and friends this holiday season. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. So first up is customized mug. So it is a great way to capture moments and special memories. You can print a meaningful photo, an inside joke, or a favorite quote on a mug. It's very personal and very useful. Plus, you can pair it with some coffee beans, tea bags, or hot chocolate mix to make it a cozy gift package. This is an easy DIY that's guaranteed to bring a smile to their faces every morning. Now let's talk about t-shirts and sweatshirts. So these are perfect in adding a unique touch. You can create a custom design using heat transfer vinyl or iron-on prints. Add a funny quote, the family name, or even a design that reflects their personality or interest. It's a stylish way to show them that you know exactly what they love. Gift idea number 3 is a custom coaster. So this is a simple yet thoughtful gift. You can create coasters featuring their favorite photos, artwork, or even patterns. You can even add a special message or date to make it extra memorable for keepsake. Every time they set down their drink, they'll be reminded of a special moment. Now, here's an idea for all our work-from-home warriors out there. Customized mousepad. Design a mousepad with a family photo, motivational quote, or artwork that fits their workspace vibe. It's a thoughtful gift that they'll use every day. And it adds a personal touch to their desk setup. Now, gift number 5 would be for our stationery lovers out there. How about a personalized notebook or customized journal? Design a custom cover with their name, an inspiring quote, or a unique image. These make great gifts for friends or family members who love to journal, doodle, or keep notes. It's a beautiful way to encourage their creativity. Now, gift number 6 is a customized tote bag. Now, tote bags are versatile and can easily be customized. Use heat transfer vinyl or fabric paint to add their initials, name, or a design that matches their style. To make it extra special, fill the bag with goodies like snacks, a book, or a cozy blanket. It's a gift that's both practical and personal. Next on the list is customized jigsaw puzzle. This is such a fun and unique gift. Turn a favorite family photo, a pet picture, or memorable moment into a jigsaw puzzle. It's perfect for game nights or a fun holiday activity you can enjoy together. Plus, it's a lovely keepsake that you can treasure year after year. Now, for a small yet meaningful gift, customize keychains. Create keychains featuring their initials, favorite color, or even a mini photo. You can also add charms that represent something special, like pet paw print or hobby-related icon. It's a simple gift that's easy to carry around and keeps a piece of your thoughtfulness with them. For the chefs and bakers in your life, customized apron is a fantastic gift. Personalize an apron with their name, a fun cooking code, or an image that matches their style in the kitchen. This is perfect for those who love to cook, bake, or barbecue. It's not just a practical gift, but also a stylish addition to their culinary adventures. And last but not the least, gift number 10 is personalized calendar. Create a calendar featuring family photos, important dates, or motivational quotes for each month. This is a gift that lasts all year and helps keep memories close. Every page turn will bring a smile and remind them of the special moments you've shared. And there you have it. These are the top 10 personalized gift ideas that you can give your family and friends this holiday season. So each of these gifts are easy to make and very thoughtful, tailored to bring joy to your family and friends. So if you find this video helpful or if you have other stuff that you wanted to add, feel free to put it in the comments down below. And that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Sandie Crafts for more crafting ideas. Bye!